I copy. Hey, bro. You all right?
Yeah.
What's going on?
Nothing much. Just sitting out.
You want to roll down to the window so I can see you? What's going on?
Nothing. Just got gas in 2 gear.
Okay. Well, I just hear you revving up the engine and everything.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Are you? What are you smoking, bro?
Nothing.
You don't? Nothing?
Nothing.
You got a tutor in your hand, brother?
I have a torch.
Okay, and you have foil and a bag there with crystal-like substance in the bag, brother. What are you smoking? You're not smoking nothing? Bro, come on now. Don't lie to me about that. You roll down the window so I can talk to you, bro? Can you roll down further? Can you roll down? Are you alright? 1938, you go in a second. Hey, hey! 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 Yeah, narcotics in the vehicle. He's taking off. What direction? Westbound SR204 towards Trestle.
Did you make contact with him?
From RO Solo.
Any signs of impairment or anything?
Couldn't verify that, but he had narcotics and drug paraphernalia in the car.
You went northbound Monday from the field. I'm not standing on Monday.